Ring doorbells are popular smart home devices, but understanding their battery life is crucial for proper maintenance and expectations. Ring doorbells typically have a battery life ranging from 6 to 12 months under ideal conditions with moderate use. However, real world battery life varies significantly based on several factors. High traffic areas, frequent live view usage, and weak Wi Fi signals can all reduce battery life substantially. Ring defines normal use as 3 to 5 events per day. Each motion detection or doorbell press counts as one event. Exceeding this usage will reduce your battery life. Newer models like the Ring Battery Doorbell from 2024 are designed with improved battery saving features and may offer up to 23% longer battery life than older generations. Understanding these battery life expectations helps you plan for maintenance and choose the right Ring doorbell model for your specific usage needs. Several key factors determine how quickly your Ring doorbell battery drains. Understanding these factors helps you optimize performance and extend battery life. Frequent motion detection is the biggest battery drain. Every time someone walks by, a car passes, or even a tree branch moves, your doorbell activates and records video. Using live view to check your camera frequently also drains the battery quickly. Each time you open the app to view the live feed, the doorbell must stream video continuously. Poor Wi Fi signal strength forces your doorbell to work harder to maintain connection, consuming more battery power. A weak signal also causes more failed uploads and retries. Extreme temperatures, especially cold weather, significantly reduce battery performance. Lithium batteries lose capacity in freezing conditions and may need more frequent charging. To optimize battery life, start by adjusting your motion detection settings. Reduce motion sensitivity and customize detection zones to avoid unnecessary triggers from cars or pedestrians on the street. The most effective solution is hardwiring your Ring doorbell to your existing doorbell wiring. This provides continuous power and eliminates battery concerns completely. For battery-powered models, keep a spare battery charged and ready. Many Ring doorbells have removable batteries that can be swapped quickly without removing the entire device. Newer Ring models use artificial intelligence to reduce false triggers from passing cars, swaying trees, and other non-essential motion. Enable these smart features to significantly extend battery life.